What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Don't forget to smash that like button. Boy, did I make some changes to the Death Star with my dividend portfolio. I'm going to show you what I did, but look at the earned dividends. I made $219.37 in dividends, which of course are going to be reinvested. The other thing is I did sell two stocks, which I'm going to go over, and I'm going to provide my rationale why. So I'm selling Royal Caribbean and AstraZeneca. I got both of those stocks when they were down. Royal Caribbean distributes about a 2% dividend usually. AstraZeneca does a semi-annual dividend. And I like Pfizer too much. I'll probably get Abby for the next dividend stock. I just don't like the dividend yield on either of them, and it's going to take a while for Royal Caribbean to catch up to start distributing a dividend. So let's look real quick with my activity. Okay, so well, let's jump to let's jump to my activity. So AT&T gave me $10.11. LTC gave me $2.29. And with my transfer activity, it should show right now, I'm transferring about $65 a week to the Death Star. And I might be a little bit more aggressive to it because on my M1 finance portfolio, I feel like I'm pretty good for right now. I think with Newell Brands, which I'll show you on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, what I'm doing on that. I'll do another video probably tomorrow on that with some changes that I made. But the activity that I have, okay, first of all, here's a change right here, quarterly stocks. Look what I did as well. I added AGNC to my dividend portfolio. So I did a video on AGNC that it wasn't very attractive, but I saw the quarterly revenues and I was very attracted to that they are increasing their revenue. They are making money, okay? And, this is pretty promising. Look at this latest article, okay? They nearly reversed the economic losses from COVID-19. So that is very attractive to me. When I look at stocks, especially real estate stocks. Now, one of the reasons I got Ryman Hospitality Properties, which distributes a very nice dividend, but they are obviously a hospitality stock, and they will be back. They distribute a nice dividend. They're a real estate investment trust. Now, another thing is, since I'm putting more money into Spirit Realty Capital and BTI Gain and some Glad, I added Gladstone Capital Corp on there. So one of the reasons why I added Gain and Glad and AGNC is a monthly dividend stock. It's probably not showing up yet because I don't have any shares in it, but I need to add the monthly dividend stocks to get my quarterly dividend stocks. Right now, IIPR, I'm at 7.65 shares. QYLD is giving me a nice dividend. My goal is to get to at least 25 shares in a lot of these stocks. SPHD and LTC are two stocks that I need to really get up because eventually those guys will be increasing their dividend because LTC is a real estate investment trust and SPHD is a Invesco SP. It's called a high dividend, low volatility stock. What's funny is actually SPLV is better than SPHD when it comes to increasing the dividend and how it's doing against the S&P. It's actually pretty interesting. I'm pretty sure that's right. Last time I checked with SPLV. So Unilever, I need to get more shares with them. Delta, eventually I will be getting more shares with those guys. WestRock cut their dividend. They'll be back. Now, Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund is one of those stocks that I'm putting money in that will start distributing a monthly dividend so that I can start reinvesting in more of these stocks. So the more this goes up, it gives off about a 19 cents per share. Uh, it's not really a Roth IRA stock. It's more of an income stock. So when it has the word income, it's more of I want to make passive income on it. It's not certain stocks that, I would say is good for a Roth IRA would be one like, let's see, one that's pretty good. It usually is increasing price per share and increasing a dividend. I would even say AstraZeneca is a good one for a Roth IRA. Altria, Starbucks is another one that would probably be good for a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. But stocks like these guys, they're pretty stagnant. Over time, they increase their dividend, which is nice. Uh, Gain and Glad monthly dividends right here, very attractive. Same with AGNC, but I have 31 positions. So the one thing is I need to be careful. I know I'm close to my $10,000 goal, but again, I have 2 buys and 2 sells. Let's see my upcoming trades that I have. So I have $131.74 in BTI, 91 in Spirit Realty, $87.40 in Altria, $75.52 in Fastenal, finally in Maxim Integrated Products. See, with my dividend portfolio, I like to have a very big balance between a lot of companies. Maxim Integrated Products is kind of like a semiconductor company. Seagate Technology is more of a technology, kind of in the technology area or sector. Hormel Foods, you got your foods, you got a nice balance. And again, like I said in my previous videos with BTI and Altria, is these stocks, they're unfortunately people will smoke, they don't care, and it just distributes a nice dividend. So the other thing I need to focus on is I need to get a little bit more Iron Mountain. So hopefully I can start getting more shares in Iron Mountain. It is down, it distributes a nice dividend. And the nice thing about Iron Mountain is they are adapting to the what's going on with technology, with the cloud format and everything. And Hanes Brands, I mean, everybody needs a t-shirt. So, I mean, Hanes is the most popular t-shirt thing. And I mean, people go through t-shirts a lot over the years. So it's always going to be popular. It's always empty on the shelves when I walk into Walmart. So that's one of the reasons why I put money in Hanes. So Coca-Cola is a nice one. I'm hopefully I can get to 1,000 too, as well as Pfizer. Once I get all that money going and the machine starts going like crazy, sky's the limit. So, that's kind of what I'm looking for. Let's get to 25 shares, reinvest the dividends, and go from there. So those are kind of the updates I made in my dividend portfolio. It's exciting to see this grow, and eventually, I will be earning $1,000. Again, my goal and my long-term goal is to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. Very possible, very rational. The more I put in and the more I reinvest, the Death Star will get bigger and bigger. So that is what is exciting. And I also have a Roth IRA I'm setting up. I'm going to set it up for next year. And it's only going to, and I call it the 4 Horsemen of Apocalypse. So take a guess. It's only going to be 4 stocks. And, it's all about investing and reinvesting the dividends over time. So that's going to be exciting to go over that. That's going to be a goal starting next year, is to have a Roth IRA and put X amount of dollars in a month. One way I'm going to do that is once I start making more money on YouTube, which I'm doing very well on that, and I can't complain. It is paying for some of my utilities now. So that's kind of the updates on my dividend portfolio. The Death Star is getting stronger and it is getting better. So let me know what you think. Again, if you are new to this channel, you can always here's my share. If you guys are interested in that, or if you need a replica, feel free to borrow my replica and go from there. I have my strategy with Matthew Ramey, which is dividend portfolio strategy, which I will post in the comment section for you guys to check out, and the type of dividend stocks that I invest in based on how stocks distribute at a certain time period. So I kind of, if you see real quick why, another reason, I said this a few times, but these guys, it's going to take a while, but these guys, it's semi-annual. So it's not very attractive when I can start churning in all this monthly and quarterly stocks with all these stocks and go from there. So let me know what you think of this strategy. Was that stupid to sell RCL and AstraZeneca? Just let me know. Again, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. You guys have a great weekend and be safe out there.